This was worth it. Worth my while. Hello friends. Today I'm going to teach you how to make butterbeer. Butterbeer is surprisingly a really easy recipe to make and only requires 4 components. First of all is cream soda. Second is butterscotch caramel. And third is whipped cream. The fourth is vanilla ice cream and it's in the freezer. I've been really wanting to make this butterbeer recipe for a really long time, and my dad, he didn't want to do it, so I decided to make it myself. Also, butterbeer is a real recipe, and it's been around since 15-something by the creator called Nicholas Flamel. So with that out of the way, let's get to it. So this is the ice cream that we need. Vanilla, plain, nothing else needed. But also, before we start, we need some ice. Now with everything gotten, we can now begin making butterbeer. For our first step, we'll need 2 cups of ice cream. So that's 2 of these, but that also means 4 full scoops with the ice cream thing. Oh, that's big. That's big, well. Your final spoon. And, well, I'm confused. Just put that there, and let's put the ice cream back to move on to the next step. Now we need 1 cup of cream soda. This is a twist off, so sadly I didn't get to use a knife. And just fill it up to the brim. That's good enough. Put it in there. Next you add, I don't know how much ice you need, maybe 5. Let's put 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's good. Finally you need to add 3/4 of butterscotch caramel. Now, 3/4 is about, so almost the bottom of the cup, so around over here. And I'll just keep scooping until I get that much. So now to the final step, and this is where you finally get to finish off your butterbeer. Wait. So you'll have to cover it so it doesn't screw up your roof or whatever's up there, and put it to crushing ice, or basically auto pulse. Crush ice. Leave like this for 7 times. Once that's done, slowly mix it up until it becomes a milky texture, or kind of that consistency or density. So it's not kind of getting off one of the sides, so I'll have to scrape everything down so you can mix well and enjoy a nice drink. Now since everything's scraped off the walls of our mixer, we can continue mixing it up again. Meanwhile, while this is mixing, this is the cup that we're going to use. Once this is done mixing, we're going to put in whatever whipped cream you want, whatever type you want. Also, you can drink it however you want to. With your nose, with your mouth, with a straw. Yeah, the possibilities are endless. Well, guess now that's done, we can finally enjoy our drink. Can't wait. Oh. And to finish it off, some whipped cream. Yum. This was worth it. Worth my while. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I really did enjoy this, and I do look forward to making things in the future. Please comment what you want me to make on the future episodes, and yeah, great day.